So guys, Zap Exchange Gaming here, Los Angeles Lakers versus Los Angeles Clippers. So let's predict this game. So Los Angeles Clippers versus Los Angeles Clippers game info. So Lakers 37 wins, 21 loss, 4 in the West, while the Clippers have 32 wins, 27 loss, 6 in the West. The game will start at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, March 2, which is 10:30 a.m. March 3 in Manila. So, Curto Arena in Los Angeles, California. So, parehas naman sila taga ron. So, walang home court dyan. Lakers plus 2.5, Clippers minus 2.5, over and under 220. So, Lakers, Maximilian Kleber out, Rui Hachimura day to day. Pero out din yan. Out din yan. So, tapos si nadagdag sa injury nila, si Austin Reeves out din. So, ayan, si Austin Reeves na injury 11 minutes dun sa game nila last time. Ang Clippers din ang kalaban. So, right. Pero wala daw naman grabe. So, pero out siya muna dito sa laro na to. Pahinga muna siya. So, the Clippers naman si Norman Powell, questionable. Tingnan natin kung makakalaro na siya. So, momentum. Clippers got the win in their previous triumph. Ay, puta man, hindi pala to. So, pero tinalo nila in Chicago. Pero talo sila last time ng Lakers, guys. The previous 10 games featuring teams have resulted in 6 Clippers victory. Clippers have 4 wins and 6 losses in the past 10 games. Lakers won their last game against the Clippers. They have won 9 and lost 1 of their last 10 contests. So, ayan. Kitang-kita naman natin na sa momentum yung Lakers. Tinalo nila yung Clippers last time. Pero injury-wise, nakakalamang yung Clippers kasi mga key player to si Rui Hachimura saka si Austin Reeves. Kaya tingnan natin. So, for me, not so sure but Lakers plus 2.5 pa rin. Kasi kahit na injured si Rui saka si Austin Reeves, parang wala pa rin sila naging problema. Nahirapan pa rin sa opensa. Nahirapan pa rin makagawa ng opensa tong sila Balbas. So, napakaganda ng depensa nung bumalik. Malaking bagay tong pagbalik ni Vanderbilt tapos yung addition ni Finney Smith. Laking bagay sa depensa talaga, guys. So, ayan, for me, Lakers plus 2.5. Parang talagang nasa momentum yung Lakers. Napakahirap talunin ngayon ng Lakers. So, Lakers plus 2.5. So, bills muna bago bomba, mga boss. Yun tayo. So, sa mga gustong maglaro, message nyo lang ako. Agent tayo dyan, guys. So, let's go.